Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Anchor in Wix Studio. Okay, so first thing that you do is you just have to log into your Wix account and then select your website. Okay, so right here, I am on the preview mode of my site. So here we have this button at the top or the menu. So when we tap on this one, it will redirect us to that specific anchor. So for example, here on our range, okay, so it will take us right there. And when we go to the contacts, it will take us to the contact section. But as you can see right here, when we tap on the facts option or the FAQs, it will redirect us to the welcome page. So we have to fix that. When we tap on this one, we should be directed to the FAQ anchor. Okay, so to do that, what we are going to do here first is we just have to tap on any of the text that we can find here. So let's go back to the editor. All right, so just tap on the editor option. And then after that, I'm just going to tap on this one. Okay, and then I'm just going to select this linked option. Okay, so let me just go back here. That's right, and then tap on the linked option. Okay, so when you do that, as you can see, we have the section or anchor. So make sure to select this one. That's right, and then which page. Okay, so make sure to select your page. Then after that, you just have to tap on that. Okay, so that's the first method. But if you want to just directly connect it, you just have to go back here on your menu at the top and then just manage the menu and then go to the FAQs or to the menu that you want to customize. Then after that, just change the link. Okay, so select the section or anchor and then which page. Of course, this is the home page and then where on the page. Okay, so make sure to select the FAQs. Okay, after that, you just have to tap on done. Once you're done, you just have to tap on the preview option. Okay, and then let's try to click on the FAQs menu at the top. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully connected to this section. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.